Good morning, guys. Today we are going to Hermitage Foreshore walk. So this is one of the easiest walk in Sydney, about 1.8 kilometers one way. So normally it takes half hour to 1 hour to finish the walk. And this walk is really famous because you can see Shark Island Sydney Bridge. So there are many photo opportunities. So we will drive there and start the walk, and I will show you the whole process. See you in a bit. So we are driving from Belvoir Hill to Rose Bay. I think we are heading towards Rose Bay. So you can see the expensive houses. They are facing the water. Looks amazing. These houses will cost multi-million dollars. There are some celebrities and the politicians live here. So it's amazing. After you walk through this little alley, out of nowhere, there's a really lovely cafe called Mexico, and they do sandwiches, iced coffee, and the melts. Here we go. This is a picnic lunch box. Here we go. They have a picnic box, so you can just grab one of the lunch box and go straight to the water. Really lovely cafe here. Two sittings inside. Here we have the gluten-free sandwich. Because gluten-free bread is a little bit small, so the owner kindly made two for me. That's really nice of him. Then we have iced coffee and a Reuben sandwich. This one is normal, not gluten-free. Okay, guys, we are here. This is the place. Have a couple of parks. We will start the walking point from Nielsen Park, and when you come here, you can just direct your GPS to Nielsen Park. Around Nielsen Park, there are a couple of street parkings. So if you come early, you can find the parking spots and start the walk from this point. Okay, let's go. Okay, so from this big instruction board, if you follow the walk from here, we can say from this small instruction board, we will be going to Bondi to Manly Walk, but you don't have to finish the whole distance. So about only 10 minutes walk, we arrived at the bottle and glass point. So we have an instruction board here. Let's just go to see what's out there. Here we go. This is a bottle and a glass point. You can see the beach and a lot of people swimming, chilling there. The water is amazing, dark green and blue. Then for the point, you can even see the Sydney CBD, all the skyscrapers. Let me move around to see what's out there. I'm not too sure where's Manly. I think might be over there. I think so. Okay, so today is really hot. It would be so nice to dip in the pool, dip in the sea. Okay, let's continue the walk. We just finished walk from that direction, then we walked the past come here. which is the Sydney Harbour National Park. Then this park is actually next to the beach, so you can do a little bit of walk in the park as well, then deep in the ocean over there. People come here to have barbecues or picnic, or just simply lying on the beach, chilling with friends here. Hi guys, so we went into the park, Sydney Harbour Park, then walked along that path, accompanied by all the trees. I think those trees are hundreds of years. It looks really amazing. Then we walk that way. So that is a cottage road something. And now we are here. Okay, let's have a closer look of the map. At the moment we are here. Then that is the Steel Point Cottage. So if we follow the red dots line, we will arrive Strickland Estate. Then that arrive Milk Beach, Tingara Beach, Hermitage Beach, Hermit Point, Queen's Beach. So that is a Hermitage Foreshore walking track. One way 1.8 kilometers, come back will be 3.6 kilometers. I think that will be a good walk for the day. Okay, let's go.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again.
So this walk is really amazing. It's quite intimate, provides a lot of spot. You can just chill with your friends and at the same time provide some privacy. See? I saw the people are sunbathing there. So arrived at one of the beach, we will continue walk over there. So we will continue our walk. So this is the only midpoint of our Hermitage coastal walk. Finally, we arrived at the Hermitage Foreshore walking track. Okay, let's go there. There.
Staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again.
So you can hike here, get suntan here, take a dip here, swim here, and fish here. Estate. That must be the big white house which is past. Then that's it. We will be at the Hermit Point. That's the ending point of this walk. Let's go. Almost finished. This is the end of our Hermitage coastal walk. So this is the best sun tanning spot. You see there's a little island over there. Actually, I don't know what island is that. Let's have a closer look.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and
Welcome to Hermitage Point. Here we go.
over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again.
Okay, someone just did a skywriting. I have no idea what did that person write. Ledlen.